Welcome to nature, my friends. Look at the squirrel on the tree. I don't know if you can see it. It is so beautiful out here. So quiet. The wind is blowing. Birds are chirping. Such a good place to go and just relax your mind. Yes, my friends. It does not cost you anything. If you have a backyard and trees in your back, just go there. Or if you want to go to the park, just go and clear your mind. All these things that's going on, negative things that's going on, my friends, just find your quiet place. Find your quiet place, my friends, and enjoy it. Such a beauty right now. God gave us so many things. He showed us so many beautiful things. It's for us to stop and enjoy it. Yes, friends, just stop and enjoy the beauty of His creation. I love just being out here, enjoying the birds, the squirrels just running around, my dog enjoy it. Yes, I love it. I hope you love it, my friend. Your girl, Lady Samita. Blessings.